Choose high-quality fennel seeds from a trusted source. Fresh and viable seeds will have a higher germination rate. Soak the fennel seeds in water for 12 to 24 hours before planting. This softens the seed coat and speeds up germination. Use well-draining, nutrient-rich soil with a pH range of 6.0 to 7.0. Loosen the soil to ensure it is aerated and free from debris. Sow the seeds 1/4 to 1/2 inch, or 6 to 12 millimeters, deep in the soil. Leave about 12 to 18 inches, or 30 to 45 centimeters, between rows to allow for proper plant growth. Lightly water the soil to make it moist but not waterlogged. Maintain a soil temperature of 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, or 15 to 21 degrees Celsius for optimal germination. Place the seeds in a sunny location, as fennel thrives with 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering, which can lead to rotting. Fennel seeds typically germinate within 7 to 14 days under optimal conditions. During this time, check the soil daily to ensure it stays moist. Once seedlings emerge, thin them to maintain a spacing of 6 to 12 inches, or 15 to 30 centimeters, between plants. Protect the young plants from pests and weeds. Continue watering regularly, ensuring the plants receive adequate sunlight.